New day, another unboxing. Yan. Ang paborito kong brand na cup. Ang paborito kong brand ay Shibari. Ito. Shabaji. Pang ganun yung brand niya yata. Yan. Was a good deal. Yan. Ganda yung pagkaano niya. Ayan. Collection talaga siya. One of a kind. Medyo maganda. Okay lang siya. Tagal ko nang hinahanap ng ganitong cup. Ganitong design. Kasi parang limit edition talaga. Try natin, oh. Medyo maganda naman, okay naman siya. Montage natin, ayan. Ayan. Kita niyo na yung brand. Super nice siya, super nice. Pangdagdag lang sa collection ko ulit. Thank you to all sa mga nagsusupport sa akin lagi. Sa Mr. Heartthrob 17, thank you so much to all my supporters. Thank you so much sa hindi ninyong pagsawa sa pagsuporta sa aking munting channel, Mark Martinez, Mr. Heartthrob 17. Baka ibalik natin yung dating yung dating account natin na pangalan, okay? I'll see you around and have a nice day and everything. Thank you so much to all of your support and everything. Laban lang tayo. Thank you so much. Wait lang ninyo pagbabalik ng aking munting account. Thank you to all my supporters. Sa mga members of Mark and Pinky Vlogs, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ninyo sa second channel ko. Thank you to all. Love you guys very much. Bye-bye. Thank you. Very much. Thank you. Bye. Adios. Close up natin. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you very much for your all support. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.